Hello friends, I'm making this video in English. The intent behind making this video is just to clarify and just to portray or convey my feelings. I'm a unemployed youth of Bengal. I live in Bengal, and I just want to convey the situation, convey my feelings, and portray the situation of Bengal, the rampant corruption, the joblessness, and the helplessness of Bengal, the youth of Bengal. As you can say, my friends, according to a Types of India report, Bengal is getting younger day by day, and the out of 9.13 crore population, 48% people are young. But the situation is that the youth are facing a great trouble. Okay, we are getting scholarships, we are getting Konashri for the under the Konashri stream. We are getting our scholarship. We are getting our scholarship under Swami Vivekananda scholarship scheme. But the problem is that the students are not getting a job. Okay, and as you can see, the corruption is so prevalent, and the rampant corruption. Okay, and the media did not report this. Our mainstream media in Bengal, as well as the national media, they do not pay any attention. And as you can see, the West Bengal civil service examination 2017, a person who stood first in the examination, he got the job doing something in a dubious way. He got the job in a dubious way, and he got his marks uh, elevated from 0 to 1 elevated to from 0 to 162. And in Bengali, he got 18 marks out of 200, and then in paper he got 18, but in result he got 168. This is the situation. And even the court, the honorable court is uh, doing their work. Okay, but this his case is in the court right now. But even that, even in spite of this, he is doing his job. Okay, he's posted right now, he's posted as the DMDC, district magistrate, district collector, and he did not even pass the preliminary examination. Okay, यहाँ in Bengal a free examination happened, and then you got the job. Any examination which like conducted by PSC or in generally by PSC, you get the result after 2 or 3 years. Okay, we have to wait for 2 or 3 years for our results. Okay, the 2000 PSC conducted examination in 2018, and they just cultural officer examination, and they just published their result in 2021. This is not the way. How can they did that? Okay, this is like ridiculous. And they, even the West Bengal government is not uh, not releasing the teaching jobs, the recruitment for teachers, and anything. They are not doing anything regarding that. And even अगर कोई जॉब्स कोई ऐसा होता है कि वो लोग जॉब निकालते हैं, कोई इतना करप्शन होता है, इतना कुछ होता है कि कोई वहाँ जाके कोर्ट में केस कर देता है और फिर वो अटकते ही रहता है. ओके, सो ये तो बहुत ही ख़राब एक सिचुएशन हो गया है वेस्ट बंगाल में. और एज यू कैन सी इन एनी एग्जामिनेशन, ओके, यहाँ पर लिखा है कि डोमकॉल मीन्स फायर ब्रिगेड. इनफैक्ट फायर ब्रिगेड का भी जो एग्ज़ाम होता है वो क्या क्या है, वहाँ क्या हुआ देखिए कि 2018 में दे कंडक्टेड द एग्जामिनेशन इन 2018 September, and they did not even they released the merit list in that examination. Okay, in 2000, and after 2021 they are recruiting them without publishing any merit list. So it is also under the purview of court, High Court of Calcutta. And I want to inform one thing to every youngster, that our honorable Bengal's honorable Chief Minister Miss Mamata Banerjee, she promised the unemployed youth of West Bengal that she would recruit 33,000 uh, 33,000 people, unemployed youth, in the various department of West Bengal. But as you can see, in I'm not saying anything like in air, and as you can see, the 11th July in 2019 report, it was published that she will recruit 33,000 people, unemployed youth. But where is the job? I just want to ask, where is the job? Where is these 33k jobs? This is ridiculous. And the BJP, they are promising that they would give us jobs, and they promise us that they would give what 75 lakh job cards, or and as you can see, the national media, the Godi media is saying that the BJP government would do that, would do this, they would make Sonar Bangla. Then I just want to ask them, I just want to ask every leader of BJP, that then why not Sonar Uttar Pradesh, then why not Sonar Bihar, then why not Sonar Bharat? आप दो ना, आप एसएससी का तो इतना भद्दा हाल करके रखे हो, ऐसा क्यों है? आप तो एकदम सेंट्रल जॉब को तो आप लोग ख़त्म कर दिए हो, अभी आप बोल रहे हो कि आई वुड गिव जॉब इन वेस्ट बंगाल. दिस इज़ नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. आप दो मुँहे, इतना दो मुँहे आप लोग कैसे हो सकते हो? दिस इज़ योर डबल स्टैंडर्ड. Please, I am not a political person. I am not affiliated to any political party, not TMC, not like BJP. I'm not affiliated to anyone. I'm just an unemployed youth of Bengal, and I want to ask them. And then I'm just requesting every youth of Bengal, প্লিজ आप সাপোর্ট করো, প্লিজ সাপোর্ট করো, সবাই সাপোর্ট করো, টুইটার মুভমেন্টটাকে সবাই সাপোর্ট করো, নাহলে আমরা জানি না আমাদের কি হতে চলেছে. অনেকে হয়তো ভাবছে যে কী হবে এগুলো করে, কি হবে কি না হবে, কিছু নাই হোক. And the RRB is conducting the NTPC examination just because we protested 4 months or 5 months back in online. Okay, due to that online dharna thing, they are just conducting this examination. ये भी हो सकता है कि उन लोगों का आँख खुल जाए, वो लोग समझ सके. एटलीस्ट मीडिया वुड पोर्ट्रे द सिचुएशन ना. প্লিজ সাপোর্ট দেম. আর আমি জানি না বাংলাতে কোনো ইউটিউবারও সেটা সেভাবে সাপোর্ট করছে না, খুব কম চ্যানেল সাপোর্ট করছে, বাট যেভাবে পারো প্লিজ সাপোর্ট করো, প্লিজ এটা ছড়াও. অ্যান্ড প্লিজ কনভে দ্য সিচুয়েশন অফ বেঙ্গল. মানে চুপচাপ থেকে লাভ নেই. মিডিয়াতে যা তা দেখাচ্ছে, মিডিয়াতে সমস্ত কিছু দেখাচ্ছে, কোথায় কী হচ্ছে, বাংলার কোথায় পুজো হচ্ছে, কোথায় কী হচ্ছে কি না হচ্ছে, কে কার সাথে বিয়ে করছে, কে কার বউ কাকে ছেড়ে চলে যাচ্ছে, সমস্ত কিছু দেখাচ্ছে, কিন্তু দেখাচ্ছে না যে কীভাবে পিএসসিতে দিনের পর দিন এরকমভাবে কারাপশন হয়ে চলেছে, কীভাবে আমরা চাকরি পাচ্ছি না, আমরা দিনের পর দিন এরকম করে যাচ্ছি. এটার কতদিন চলবে? প্লিজ সবাইকে টুইটার যে ক্যাম্পেন চলছে বা ক্যাম্পেন যেই করছে, প্লিজ একটু সাপোর্ট করো. 2 দিন 3 দিন একটু কম পড়লে এমন কিছু মাথায় পাথর ভেঙে পড়বে না, ভার ভেঙে পড়বে না.